FEG tokens, latest and greatest. Today we'll go over some important tweets, some updates from the team, as well as doing some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. Welcome back, Moneybags Rico. Let's go ahead and get started with the tweets on their official FEG website, or actually their Twitter. Make sure you guys give them a follow at FEG token, of course. Make sure that bell notification is lit like that you guys do not miss out. But I have something from, of course, RTR Crypto. If you guys can come over here and let's get trending again. I seen this a couple days before, already trending day after day. We are 2 days away from migration. I hope you guys are ready. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are ready to send this, because seeing Bitcoin creep up to that 25,000, seeing Ethereum just poke over 1,700, I would like to think, and let me know down in the comments, if the team strategically planned this out to wait when the markets turned around, right? If we would have did this a month ago, or even, a couple weeks ago, the markets were kind of bearish, right? But now there's some momentum. There's some things going on that, the space is looking overall very well. So I want you guys to come over here, shield everything on this Twitter page. Let's get trending once again and shake up Twitter space, right? And if you guys can, of course, like and subscribe, leave some bullish comments down below, because that will help the YouTube algorithm push these videos out to new potential investors, and let everybody know that in 2 days we are migrating, okay? But this was pretty cool right here from RTR Crypto. If you guys can, come over here as well, give him a follow at RTR Crypto. Make sure you guys stay tapped in. We have this right here. So we got FEG and all SD tokens will have front run MEV bot protection reduces risk. This is something that's pretty bullish. I know that if you guys been in the space, if you guys been in the Telegram, it's something that we hear a lot, right? So we got for FEG, all of the tokens launching from Smart DeFi. So all of them will have this. Bots are using smart contracts, and we will block these contracts from interacting. So in layman's terms, that's what's going on. We got the technical answers. We detect if a user is going through a miner's relay and trying to bribe it. If we detect it, the transaction cannot process. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to do some kind of trickery behind the scenes, it's not going to happen with any of the SD tokens, because FEG token is always going to be protecting its investors and its community. FEG Army strong. That is pretty epic right there. These are the latest developments, and like I said, we're 2 days away. We should be trending. I know we'll get trending. Let's get this video to go viral. Let's send it as hard as we can. We are 2 days away, and people are going to have to respect the pump. Now we're going to get to some price predictions, obviously for entertainment reasons only, because this is not financial advice, but we're in those same zones that we talked about in the past. Obviously people are accumulating, but we're going to keep testing these areas, that 1171, and we have the support down here that we're not going to touch no more. We're staying up here. We're going to keep pushing on it. This is on the ETH, and we got the same thing happening on the BSC, of course, right? So let's get these horizontal lines. BSC is pulling back right now at the moment. Of course, I'm doing these videos live, and that's just what it is, right? So let's go ahead and add these support and resistance. And why not put our arrows, just so practice makes perfect, right? We've seen this right here, that resistance. Same thing right over here. And on the BSC side, that price is at 1493, which makes sense, right? Because it's that half point. So that, let's say if it's 1500, so that 1000, 1500, or 2000, 2500, and so forth. That's kind of how things go. Those are those psychological barriers. If we could push up, I can see a potential little channel right here that we might ride. We only got 2 days. So, those who are going to accumulate, those who are going to tell their friends and family about FEG token and what's going on, now's the time, because in 2 days, people will respect the pump. Same thing happening over here on the ETH side. We have that same little channel. There's a little bit more pump going on the ETH. We have some trading volume of up to 68,000. It wasn't the hundreds of thousands the other day. I'm sure that people are going to accumulate some more. This is FEG token. This is Smart DeFi. This is what we need in the space. As we see what's going on with the news and with regulations and things like that. DeFi is definitely the way. If you respect DeFi, if you want DeFi to be successful, I need you guys to share this video, and I want you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.